Hello and welcome to the Webcertain Global Marketing News Bulletin. I'm Cal O'Connell and here are today's top stories. Yahoo wants to sell its stake in Yahoo Japan. China will become the world's top market for mobile games by 2016. And Android extends Latin America's dominance to tablets. Yahoo is hoping to sell a $9 billion stake in its Japanese affiliate Yahoo Japan. A Yahoo chief executive says that the company has hired advisors to help it unlock the value of the 36% stake in Yahoo Japan. There are two obvious buyers, but both have a reason to hold back. SoftBank, a Japanese telecom and internet company, already has a 43% stake in Yahoo, but this is not enough for a majority stake, and buying back the Yahoo Japan stake would mean taking on more debt. However, if an unfriendly party bought the Yahoo Japan stake, this could affect SoftBank's control within the company. A second possibility is for Yahoo Japan to buy back the shares, but with stiff competition from Google and not enough money to buy the stake outright, it's under increasing pressure. Another option is for Yahoo to spin off the Japan stake as a separately listed unit, which could save shareholders billions of dollars in taxes. This is a scenario that's looking increasingly likely unless another big buyer emerges and would mirror the action taken by Yahoo regarding its Alibaba stake earlier in the year. China will become the world's top market for mobile games by 2016. According to a recent white paper, Chinese mobile gaming is set to be worth $6.1 billion in 2015, a figure which is only slightly less than the projected revenue for the United States. China is expected to exceed this by 2016. Smartphone penetration continues to rise in the country and more people are subscribing to 3 and 4G networks. It's also thought that Chinese users spend more time playing games than using other apps, up to 35 minutes compared to 11 minutes in the US. Chinese retention rates are higher than the United States too, proving that Chinese gamers not only play more games, they keep them for longer as well. However, it's a difficult market to break into for outsiders. The majority of Chinese mobile games lose money, and in the top 50 Android games in 2014, only 4 were foreign games. Recent studies show that Android is dominating the smartphone market in Latin America, as well as taking the tablet market by storm too. 78% of smartphones used in Latin American countries are powered by Android, compared to just 19% by Apple. BlackBerry fares even worse in this study, with a 7% user rate across the whole of Latin America. The picture is fairly similar when it comes to tablets. Apple fares slightly better with a 27% share, but Android's 68% means it's comfortably in the lead. The use of Windows 8 devices is steadily creeping up, but with a current 8% share, they are unlikely to challenge anytime soon. And finally, Comscore has released campaign benchmarks that reveal variability in delivery across Europe. Analysis of the report shows that in-target delivery rates in Europe show similar trends to global rates, where the Asia-Pacific has the highest in-view rates of around the 50% mark. A more in-depth view of the European market reveals that in-target delivery rates range from 52% in Germany to 35% in France. Germany also tops the in-view chart, having a 47% rate, along with Italy, compared to a 38% rate in the United Kingdom. These figures mean that in France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and the UK, more than half of all ads were not seen at all, and therefore did not make an impact on the right customer. This is a particularly worrying trend for France and the UK, who are among the most advanced markets in Europe in terms of programmatic trading adoption. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and join us next time for more global marketing news. Goodbye.